Yo, where's your notebook? Matt has a notebook now where he writes 1, fucking do this, fucking 2, fucking do this. It's like learning off a fucking cereal box like Ricky did. And fucking gotta teach it to Matt that way now, cause fucking don't listen sometimes. Hi everybody, I'm Ryan Cruzy. This is Cruzy Originals. And I'm back from the dead. Took a knife wound in the throat, you know, got in a fight at a QT. This little old lady came at me with a butcher knife, stuck me right in the throat. It was brutal. But I'm still here, I'm living. And we'll give away a motorcycle. I'm also coincidentally hired in a fucking kite right now too, because my throat is pretty fucked up. Yeah, on a serious note, I had 2 discs replaced in my neck 7 days ago. It went pretty well. I got some new bionic shit that came out like 3 months ago. So I got like fake discs now, so I don't gotta wear a neck brace or none of that shit. But I got 3 to 6 months of no motorcycles or working out or fucking anything. I can't even hold my own dick, nothing over 10 pounds. So it's fucking real strenuous. I gotta shake the motherfucker off like this. I'm getting pissed all over the bathroom. Everywhere my old lady's yelling at me, it's causing a rift in our relationship. But other than that, things are going pretty well. On a more positive note, I'm gonna give away a motorcycle again. This thing right here, I think you guys already saw the video of the unveiling. It's a 2020 Lowrider S. It's got a 114. It has a wedge fairing on it. It has the, what the f are these saddlebags?
Sport Glide bags.
Sport Glide bags. We just put a set of our bars on it. These are Cruzy Originals ATV bars, the 12-inch ones. We're setting this up a lot more like a touring style bike. We're going to put our K-bar, our engine guard on it today. I can't turn my fucking head, that's why I look weird right now. Jay's cutting wheels for it. We're putting a Skynets on it, 18, 19. We're gonna do them in gold, like that gold, like that bicycle I just bought. If you didn't see the all gold beast mode that I just bought, there's a little video on here somewhere in our YouTube you can see. Super dope. Wheels are coming. I like the way the floorboards feel, but they look retarded. I don't like it. Looks like a big wheel bagger thing on there. Probably gonna put mid controls on it. Either gonna build the motor or boost the motor. I'm not sure yet. Trying to figure that out. Chain drive for sure. Matching sprockets. Oh my god. Matt's gonna pull the gas tank apart today. I can't do shit, so I'm gonna tell him what to do. We're gonna get the wing logo painted into this on the side. It's gonna be gold, black, and silver. And then we're gonna put the crash bar on. And that's that. Thank you everybody for all the well wishes and all the prayers that were sent out and everybody just saying what's up and giving me all kind of positive shit, as this just kind of came on me unprepared. So I'm gonna be back better than ever. I think I'm gonna get Wolverine tattooed across the scar right here because I got a bunch of anti-adium in me now. So, but definitely gonna be back. It's just gonna be a minute, probably like the end of the year. But we'll keep doing rad shit. I just won't be riding. Trent will be he'll be the one riding it. I don't even get to ride this fucking thing. That burns my fucking ass so bad. But Trent, he's gonna ride it. He'll tell you all about it and how fun it is, motherfucker. God damn, my fucking neck hurts. All right, we're gonna get to work. Go put this thing on the lift over there. Get these guys all chased out. Blow all that massive amount of Loctite out of there. These bolts need to come back out because we're going to put the Cruisy Originals K-bar on this thing. That will be available soon because we're bringing all that stuff in-house. We got a welder that's going to come here and weld full-time. We're bringing all the jigs and material here because our manufacturer has just been really fucking us off. So they're really behind. Everybody's really behind. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to pick that shit up and start pumping out K-bars again for Dyna and Softail. But give us like a week. We got to go pick that stuff up tomorrow. Got to buy a new Miller Dynasty welder. And hopefully if everything works out so far, Street Bike Sean is going to be throwing dimes down at Cruisy Originals. Having Sean on the team is going to be fucking huge. So watch out. There's going to be a whole bunch of shit coming out probably. Can't look up. Can't fucking finish my drink either. Hey, on a side note, we're starting a new YouTube competition. It's a little bit underground, it's a little bit rock and roll. It's called Stunt. It's like playing horse when you were a kid with a basketball, but we're doing it with Stunt. And it's going to be a 5-man elimination. The first one's on June 25th. We're going to film it, and then the Thursday after that, we'll be putting the video out, and you can watch what goes down, who wins it. Big cash prize, like big cash prize. We've only talked to half the sponsors so far, and we're at $2,500 for first place. We're trying to get that doubled right now, and it's going to be a five elimination, 5 different, one a month until November, and then we're going to have a final, and then we're going to have an event for that, and that's going to be some big money too. So stay posted to the YouTube. Probably like January 30-ish, whatever that last Thursday is. The video is going to be posted, and we got some hitters, dude. Hitters: Jesse Ryan, Joey Robinson, Joey 555, Foley 829, Dirty as I know him, Dom 829, and Maddie, fucking Too Slick Maddie from Denver. That's like some of the most technical riders out there, and they're all going to be battling trick for trick. There's no like who put on a better show, who was more hyped or any of that. It's just straight up, you got the trick or you don't got the trick. That's it. You're eliminated, and there's no first place or second place or none of that shit. It's just winner take all. Winner gets the whole bag. The whole bag. If there's anybody else who wants to get in there sponsorship wise, you can get in on it. You get lots of publicity, lots of marketing. Hey guys, so we just got the Legends monoshock in. It's dialed, the bike's about 1.5 inches taller, kind of like I thought it would be. Looks really nice. We're going to tear some more stuff off and move on, but I'm pretty much done for the day. I got short days in me right now for a while, and we're gonna stick Matt on it. But stay posted, Cruisy Originals, cruisyoriginals.com. Check us out on Instagram. There's gonna be the full build series of this, and when it is all done, we're going to give it away. So don't sleep because you'll miss it. Peace.